Hello guys, this is Professor Abdul Mateen. I am working as Assistant Professor at Anjuman Institute of Information Science and Management, Dharwad. In this session, we will be discussing about the various communication commands provided by the Unix operating system. Communication is an important application offered by the computers today. So in this session, we will learn the most popular application of Unix, that is electronic mail facility. We will be also learning the various communication commands provided by the Unix operating system. Unix is a multi-user system having hundreds of users sharing the system resources who are located far apart. Since user needs to know what others are doing and to communicate with them through the system easily, Unix provides many commands which are simple, less formal, rich and elaborative. So in this chapter, we'll be discussing few of these utilities offered by the Unix to the user for communication. First is the finger command. We'll be discussing this. Then we'll have the message command, write command, talk, wall, news and the mail command. The first command is the finger command, which provides details of the users who are currently logged into the Unix server. The finger command is a product of Berkeley software distribution. It is similar to the who command but provides more elaborative information. When it is used without any argument, it simply displays a list of users who are currently logged into the Unix system. Okay, so when I say finger command, when I type into the prompt, so this is the information displayed. There are currently 3 users who are working on the system. The first one is Abdul. His full name is Abdul again. His terminal is TTY23. His idle time, that is when he has not been provided any input or he is not using the system for last 24 seconds. Then his login time, when he has logged into the system and from which place he has logged in. The same way there is a root user and there is another user, that is who has been currently using the system. So here the first column shows the login name of the user. The second field shows the full name of the user. The third field shows the terminal details. The fourth field is the idle time, that is the time that has been elapsed since the last keystroke was entered on the terminal. The last field is the office location from where he is using the system. This command can also be used to display the details of a single user as follows. Suppose for example, as a single user, when I type in finger and the name of the user as Rahul, so when I type in, the following information is displayed. Here you can see the login name of the user, then name of the complete name of the person, then from where he is working, that is how he has connected to the Unix server, then his current directory, his shell, since what time he has logged in and what terminal he is logged in, then for how much time he is idle, he is not provided any keystroke, this is the idle time, and he has no plans. So if suppose for example the user is not logged in and when we want to know the details, right, it shows simply here the difference is it shows the last login time. So instead of if the user is logged in, it will show the idle time of the user, this command, otherwise it will show the last login time. The next communication command is the message command. Whenever a communication message is received, either single or two-way, it will be disturbing the user who might be working on an important job on his terminal. Hence, the user used the MESG command to prevent others from writing to his terminal. So how to use this command? Let us see how to use this command. So here you can see when user types message and N, which disables the prompt of any message which is being sent by the other user to be displayed on his screen. So similarly, Y can be used to enable the receipt of such messages. If you want to know the status of your terminal which is in, simply use the message without arguments as follows. That is, when you type MESG and it shows what is the current status. Here is Y means if the user has enabled to receive messages from the other users. So this is what is the message command. So guys, we have discussed today the simple Unix communication commands. One is the finger command and another one is MASG command. In the next session we will be discussing the remaining commands.